From his stunts and his flexing, he's broken ribs, a leg, even had his hip replaced. But this time it was his heart. Now Arnold Schwarzengger is on the mend after an unexpected complication during a planned procedure forced his team of quick-thinking doctors to perform emergency open heart surgery. This morning, Arnold Schwarzengger in stable condition after undergoing emergency open heart surgery at LA's Cedars-Sinai Hospital late last week. The former California governor and film star waking up from the procedure in good spirits. His first words, a play on his famous catchphrase from the wildly popular Terminator franchise.
I'm back.
Schwarzengger, now 70 years old, checked into the hospital Thursday for a planned heart valve replacement when the common procedure suddenly became high risk.
They were trying a minimally invasive approach, which is still complicated, but not quite as invasive. It didn't work. They had to go to the open heart surgery, which gets even more complicated and obviously more invasive as well.
Schwarzengger, who has a congenital heart defect, underwent a valve replacement in 1997. His rep telling NBC News that valve was never meant to be permanent and had outlived its life expectancy of 10 to 15 years. And while Schwarzengger, a former bodybuilder, has shown no signs of slowing down,
lift, no, gift. Get it?
Experts say those in need of a valve replacement will often experience a shortness of breath, a symptom that should prompt you to ask your doctor some questions.
Do I need to be concerned about it wearing out as I get older? Anything I need to do in the meanwhile to keep it from getting worn out? And if it does get to that stage, you want to get surgery sooner rather than later. You don't want to wait until it's so critical that it's an emergency surgery.
While the overall recovery time for a valve replacement is 6 to 8 weeks.
You lost weight? Really? Whatever weight I lost, you found.
This morning, Schwarzengger's friend and Expendables co-star Sylvester Stallone sending him some words of encouragement.
Arnold's a strong man. He'll be bigger and better than ever.
Stallone, who shares a love of cigars with Schwarzengger, telling TMZ despite his heart condition, he doesn't expect his friend to say,
Hasta la vista, baby.
To smoking anytime soon.
Some things you just can't give up. Stogies and breathing.
Congenital heart defects are actually the most common type of birth defect, affecting more than 35,000 babies across the country each year. As for Schwarzengger, he's likely to spend a week in the ICU since that's really what doctors say is the initial amount of recovery time.
That's great that he had that great team of doctors that just happened to be able to jump right in.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.